Welcome to Foodnerd. To make group dining checkout seamless, simply complete your order. On the payment screen, you'll find the split payment option. Click it to effortlessly divide the bill and avoid any confusion. Inside, you'll find two powerful and flexible options. First, split by amount divides the total evenly among your guests. For more precision, you can select split by items, so each person pays for exactly what they ordered. Let's explore split by amount first. With just a single click on the plus button, the system instantly and equally divides the total bill between two guests. This makes for a quick and fair checkout experience. Need to add more people to the bill? It's just as easy. Simply keep clicking the plus button for each additional person. Watch as Foodnerd automatically recalculates the equal shares for 3, 4, or as many guests as you need, completely eliminating manual math. For more detailed orders, switch over to Split by Items. This feature gives you precise control. Begin by clicking the plus button to add a new line for each person paying separately. Next, use the drop-down menu to assign specific items to each guest. As you see here, one person covers the French toast, and the other pays for the milk glass. The totals update in real time. You can enhance your customer service by assigning these payments directly to saved guest profiles. Use the Select Guest option to easily connect each split bill to a known customer. From here, simply click the drop-down menu and choose the correct guest for each part of the bill. This solution is perfect for managing individual tabs at dine-in tables or for accurately applying loyalty rewards to the right customer accounts. With the bill correctly divided, click Pay to finalize the transaction. After payment confirmation, select Submit and Print to generate receipts and close the order. Foodnerd prepares separate, itemized bills for each guest, ensuring clarity and convenience. This powerful tool streamlines your checkout, reduces errors, and improves every customer's experience.